how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on your Windows computer. This is going to be a simple step-by-step guide, so let's get started. Step 1. Purchase Adobe Premiere Pro. First, you need to purchase Adobe Premiere Pro. You can buy a lifetime license for about 299 Indian rupees. Make sure to buy it at cheap price from us. Our WhatsApp number is 9170097325517. Step 2. Prepare your computer. 1. Turn off Windows Defender and any other antivirus software. Go to Windows Security, select Virus Threat Protection, click on Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. 2. Turn off your firewall. Go to Windows Security, select Firewall Network Protection, click on your active network and turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. 3. Turn off your internet connection. Step 3. Install Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, let's start the installation. 1. Locate the setup file you downloaded after your purchase. 2. Double-click the setup file to begin the installation process. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 4. Complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can now open Adobe Premiere Pro. Take some time to explore all the features available for your video editing projects, including visual effects, transitions, and more. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tutorials, visit our website.